In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature to a reply email on Gmail. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you will have a personalized signature automatically included in all your replies and forwards, adding a professional touch to your email communications. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account. In the top right corner of the Gmail interface, you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a gear right beside your Gmail profile picture. Click on that gear icon. From the menu that appears, select See All Settings. This will take you to a page with various settings options. Scroll through the settings until you see the section titled Signature, located under the General tab. Once you find it, click on the Create New button to start setting up your new signature. A dialog box will pop up prompting you to name your signature. Type in a descriptive name, which is especially helpful if you plan to create multiple signatures for different purposes or email accounts. After naming it, click Create. Now, in the space provided, type your actual signature. This could include your name, your role, and any other details you'd like, such as a phone number or a website. You can also customize the font style, size, color, or add an image to make your signature more visually appealing. Take a moment to decide what you want your emails to convey and adjust the content and style of your signature accordingly. Next, look for the On Replies/Forward Use section. This option lets you choose what signature, if any, should automatically be added to your reply or forwarded emails. Click on the drop-down menu labeled No Signature and then select the signature you just created. This ensures your signature appears in all your reply and forward messages, maintaining a consistent and professional image. Finally, scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This step applies all the settings you've configured. And that's it. You've successfully set up a signature that will automatically be included in all your reply and forwarded emails. A well-crafted signature not only looks professional, but also provides your contacts with easy access to your important information. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.